Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a GIF to your photo on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Capture a new photo using the camera feature within Snapchat, or select an existing photo from your device's gallery to use as the base for your creative masterpiece. Once you've chosen the photo you want to enhance, tap on the stickers icon located at the top of the screen. This will provide you with a variety of options for adding stickers, including GIFs, to your photo. Select the GIF you wish to include in your photo by tapping on it. This allows you to add a touch of animation and personality to your image, making it more engaging and dynamic. After selecting the desired GIF, tap on the Send to or Stories option at the bottom of the screen to share your photo with the added GIF. You can choose to send it directly to a friend, or add it to your Snapchat story for all your friends to see. Tap Next and then Share to post your photo with the GIF to your Snapchat account, allowing your followers to view and interact with your creative content. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your photos on Snapchat by incorporating animated GIFs to make your snaps more entertaining and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to add a GIF to your photo on Snapchat with the latest updates. Start snapping and sharing your animated creations with your friends today.